Virtual Laboratory for e-Sciences is a project that involves the cooperation of several partners in informatics and from different application domains. And one of these application domains is medical, and that's the sub-program that we are all working on. This is the 3 Tesla MRI scanner at the AMC, which is one of the partners in this sub-program. The partners are the Medical Center of the Free University, the Informatics Institute of the University of Amsterdam, and Philips. Machines like this one generate a huge amount of data, and this data has to be stored, and it has to be processed, it has to be shared among multiple centra, and it has to be managed, in a sense, from one analysis to the storage and so forth. That we call data logistics. This requires a compatible IT infrastructure, which is being developed in the scope of this project.
Today we are scanning a patient with a brain tumor. We are acquiring fMRI scans for this patient.
Now we are ready for the next scan. During this scan you will be asked to move your left foot.
We are now acquiring the scans for the motion of the feet. The data for the motion of the hands have already been sent to the grid computer. This grid computer is calculating the brain activation maps during the motion of the hands.
At this position you can clearly see the tumor, which has a different contrast compared to the rest of the anatomy.
In these regions the brain is activated during the motion of the hands. This one is the left hand, and this one over here is the activation for the right hand. These maps are quite essential for the neurosurgeon who is going to operate this patient the next day, because the brain tumor might be very close to the activation areas, so the neurosurgeon should be very careful to avoid any harm to those activation areas.
Here at the AMC, a system has been developed in which data logistics and data analysis can be performed automatically. So by pressing one button in the scanner, the operator can send the images to be processed by this grid system, and then when the results are ready, they are notified to the radiologist, who is going then to proceed in the interpretation.
We've implemented this new technique thanks to the grid computer technology of the virtual laboratory. We are now processing a huge amount of data just in a couple of minutes. This could never have been accomplished just by using single computers.